Castor oil. It's not just an old-fashioned remedy your grandmother used. It's a skincare powerhouse hiding in plain sight. This ancient oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has earned a remarkable nickname, nature's Botox. But what makes it so special? Why are people ditching expensive creams and turning to this natural wonder? The answer lies in its remarkable ability to mimic the effects of Botox, smoothing wrinkles and promoting youthful skin, all without needles or hefty price tags. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of castor oil and discover how it can transform your skincare routine. Get ready to embrace the natural path to radiant, youthful skin. Castor oil's journey from ancient remedy to modern skincare hero is a testament to its remarkable properties. It's not just a fleeting trend, it's a time-tested solution backed by generations of users, and increasingly, by scientific evidence. Get ready to unlock the secrets of castor oil and experience its transformative effects on your skin. Castor oil's skin-loving prowess stems from its unique composition. It's packed with essential fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which reigns supreme with nearly 90% concentration. This powerhouse ingredient is the key to castor oil's remarkable benefits. Ricinoleic acid works its magic by penetrating deeply into the skin, nourishing and moisturizing from within. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, keeping it plump and hydrated for longer. But that's not all. This wonder acid also boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties, calming irritated skin and reducing redness. It's a potent weapon against acne, thanks to its ability to fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. With its unique blend of nourishing and healing properties, castor oil stands tall as a true skincare superhero. Castor oil's use in skincare isn't a modern fad, it's rooted in ancient wisdom. For centuries, civilizations have cherished this oil for its healing and beautifying properties. In ancient Egypt, castor oil was prized for treating skin ailments and enhancing beauty. In India, it's a staple in Ayurveda, used for skin, hair, and joint health. These traditions testify to castor oil's enduring power and effectiveness. Modern science confirms what ancient healers knew. Castor oil is a natural treasure. Section 4. Science Speaks. Castor oil's proven benefits for skin. While anecdotal evidence speaks volumes, science is now providing concrete backing for castor oil's remarkable benefits. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid, the star ingredient in castor oil, effectively reduces inflammation, fights acne-causing bacteria, and promotes wound healing. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that castor oil significantly improved skin hydration and reduced the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Another study highlighted its effectiveness in treating mild to moderate acne, thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The scientific community is taking notice, recognizing castor oil's potential in addressing various skin concerns. As research continues to unveil its secrets, one thing remains clear. Castor oil is not just an old wives' tale. It's a scientifically backed solution for achieving healthy, youthful skin. Section 5. Farewell to skin woes, castor oil to the rescue. Castor oil isn't a one-trick pony. It's a versatile skincare hero that can tackle a range of common skin issues. Struggling with acne? Castor oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help combat breakouts and reduce redness. Dealing with dry, flaky skin? Its humectant nature draws in moisture, keeping your skin supple and hydrated. Worried about wrinkles and fine lines? Castor oil's deep penetration ability promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of aging. It can even help fade scars and hyperpigmentation, thanks to its ability to promote cell regeneration. From acne to aging, dryness to dullness, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution for a wide array of skin concerns. It's time to say goodbye to expensive creams and harsh chemicals and embrace the gentle yet powerful touch of castor oil. Section 6. Unleashing the magic. How to use castor oil on your face. Ready to experience the transformative power of castor oil? First, cleanse your face to remove makeup and impurities. Next, warm up a few drops of castor oil in your hands. Massage the oil onto your face using upward circular motions. Focus on areas like wrinkles or acne scars. Leave it on overnight and rinse in the morning. Follow up with a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. Use regularly for best results and watch your skin transform. Section 7. Embrace the glow castor oil for radiant skin. Castor oil isn't just another skincare fad. It's a time-tested remedy backed by ancient wisdom and modern science. From its rich history to its scientifically proven benefits, castor oil has earned its place as a skincare staple. It's a natural, affordable, and effective solution for a wide range of skin concerns, from acne and dryness to wrinkles and scars. Its unique composition, particularly the presence of ricinoleic acid, makes it a potent moisturizer, anti-inflammatory agent, and cell regenerator. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine is simple and rewarding. By following the steps outlined above, you can unlock its transformative power and achieve the radiant, youthful complexion you've always desired. Embrace the natural path to beauty and experience the magic of castor oil for yourself. Your skin will thank you,